My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Allure beauty box for the month of January. So after a string of just really crappy boxes, last month's Allure box was the bomb. Like, it was one of the best boxes I've gotten from them in a long time. So I have no idea what's in store for this month. So if you would like to join me in finding out, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So Allure is $15 a month, and let's see if it's worth it. Here is this month's pamphlet. Okay, so the first thing, you're going to get one of two different Tarte mascaras. Either the Lights Camera Lashes or the Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara, which is the one I got. So this, I guess, lengthens. It retails for $23. Here is, I mean, it's not the prettiest mascara tube I've ever seen. Yeah, I could definitely see how this would be a lengthening mascara as opposed to like a volumizing. Okay, I'm excited to try that. I think Tarte has really good mascaras. The next product is this Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This cultish exfoliator. This grainy paste works as a mask, a scrub, and a peel all at the same time. In addition to superfine granules to slough away dead skin, it contains lactic acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant. So full size is $75 for 1.7 ounces. This is 0.25 ounces. I have tried this before, like a while ago. I do remember it being good, but it's been a while since I've used it. Okay, next we have this Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. So full size is $39. Ooh, that feels really nice. It doesn't feel like your typical like water cream. It actually feels like creamy. Kind of like almost a mousse texture. Okay, next we have this Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration. This retails for $30. I'm very picky about my lip moisturizers. There's only a couple that I use. One of them is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. To be honest, that doesn't look like one that would make the cut, to be honest. And then my other one is this Glam Glow Pelt Mud. Oh, these are everything. Okay, so the next product is this VitaBird C12 Dual Drop Serum. So it delivers a powerful proprietary blend of VitaBird CG and peptides to help reduce signs of aging, brighten the skin, and provide deep hydration to improve dryness and overall skin complexion. Okay, well, I definitely have dry skin, so full size is $62. This is 0.34 ounces. And the last product is this Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. I've actually gotten this before, and I really did like it. It says it's a color and heat protectant as well. So price for full size is $16. So I liked that it wasn't a heavy oil mist, because my roots can get oily very quickly and my hair is fine as it is, so it can be weighed down very easily, but this didn't weigh my hair down. Alright, so I'm excited about the mascara. I'm happy about the oil mist. The exfoliate, I'm like, okay. You know, I'll try the Philosophy moisturizer. I mean, everything's just like, you know what I'm saying? I'm most excited for the mascara, and I'm not a big mascara person, so if that tells you anything right there. I mean, it's stuff, you definitely get your money's worth, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.